afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English objective past question. Question number 41. To this question, the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that is most appropriately complete each sentences. And we are using this instruction to answer question number 41 to 70. And the sentence here in number 41 says the wealthy businessman dash a yacht. The wealthy businessman dash a yacht. A has, B have, C is having, D was having, E will be having. First of all, option C, D and E are out of content. In respect to this statement, these options cannot function grammatically in respect to this statement. Now let's consider option A and B. The wealthy businessman dash a yacht. Now we cannot say the wealthy businessman have a yacht because first of all, have is plural in nature, is plural, and the article A here tells us singular or gives us this picture of a singular noun, because even the noun that comes after the article A is in singular form. Then 2, the subject of the sentence, the wealthy businessman, is taking the position of third person pronoun, and in third person pronoun we use what we call as in a singular form. So the correct option here is option A. The wealthy businessman has a yacht. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.